What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another episode of Feel the Thump. Today we're out here on Freeman Lake. I think it's Chelmsford, Massachusetts. We're gonna go search for some black crappie, but I have a feeling we're gonna run into some huge bluegill and who knows, maybe some largemouth bass. But let's get right into the video. First cast, baby. First cast, baby. Oh, they're huge. They're huge. Look at the bluegill. Look at the bluegill. All right, nice. That was first cast. You see that? Like I told you on Monday, Mayuni na si hai pa ni. Oh, that was a good hit too. Oh, dude. Oh, that was huge. Pound for pound, dude, this thing kills crappie. You'll be fine. Dang. Oh! Ty, don't even fish. Dude. Look. Yeah, try your minnow one. Fish on. Fish on, baby. Oh. Another bluegill, no. Yeah. Fish on. Dude. Freaking bluegills, man. Fish on. Oh! Oh my goodness. Yep. Oh my fishing pole. Oh. Guys. Come on. Wow. Yo. You found him? Fish on. Fish on, y'all. Fish on. Freaking bluegills, man. Fish on. Probably a crappie. Oh! Oh! Oh my gosh! A freaking crappie. It's massive. It's massive. Oh. Ah! Spiked me. What a stud. Massachusetts crappie, baby. Oh, fish on. Dude, crappie. Oh, did I lose him? Oh no, he's still here. It's not a crappie. It's a big bluegill. Big one. Beautiful colors on him, man. Fish on. Fish on. Oh. What is up with these bluegill today, man? Fish on. Oh, big. Oh my. Yep. Yep. Craptastic. It's about 9. Fish on. Oh my, dude. I know I keep saying oh my, but jeez. Man, it's like a sandwich size. Fish on. Crazy bluegill. Oh my gosh. Guys, crappie, huge. Oh my goodness. This is what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. Oh my goodness. Look at that slab. What? Oh yeah. Bass. Oh, that was a quick release. Fish on. Fish on, baby. Oh, perch too? I think we're keeping these too. Oh. Fish on. Buddy wants a fish fry. We gotta catch some fish. Check him out. What a stud. Peed on me, man. Got pee on me for, man. Fish on. Come on. What is this? It's a bass? Another bluegill. Good sizes, guys. Good freaking sizes. Look at this guy. Check out Ty's crappie there.
Number 2.
Probably 12 inches.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's important.
Let's see if we can get on to some more. Fish on. Oh my god! Crappie. Big. Guys, we are gonna have ourselves a fish fry. Man. Alright guys, I think we're gonna wrap it up here. We caught a lot of fish today. It was a great time on the lake. If you haven't already, hit that like button, smash the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time on another episode of Feel the Thump.